Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya. So in today's video, I will be talking about skincare products that I have repurchased multiple times or products that I'm planning to repurchase. Okay, I have loved them so much that I'm really looking forward to repurchase them or stock them up. This video will be containing a lot of affordable Indian skincare as well as Korean skincare. So it will be a mixed skincare products. So if you are looking for some affordable skincare option as well, then you can definitely keep on watching. And yes, without any blabbering, I will just start on the video. So I will be starting with different categories. First, I'll talk about face wash, toners, serums, and then face mask and moisturizers. I will not incorporate sunscreen in this video because I talk about sunscreen in different videos where I talk about the best sunscreens or the sunscreens that work beautifully for oily acne prone skin. So you can definitely check them out. So in this video there won't be any sunscreens, so yeah, keep that in mind. And now we will just move on with the video. So from the face wash category, I have So True 2% salicylic acid plus AHA face wash that reduces sebum production, also helps to clear acne breakouts. It's for acne and blemish prone skin. So this has to be my most favorite face wash that I blindly buy. This face wash is priced at rupees 249, but after discount in Nykaa, which is around 24%, it comes to 189 rupees only, which makes it super affordable. It helps in sebum control, it helps in my acne. Like, I cannot tell how much I love this one for my acne prone skin. It does not break me out, it helps in reducing my acne some way. I never believed that face washes can actually reduce acne, but this one definitely does. This was my second one, and you can see how badly I have used it. You can definitely tell this is the condition of it. Okay, and this is the third packaging or third tube. Now I have a trick to use this face wash. I take it on my palm, add a little bit of water and emulsify it. It turns into a creamy, milky consistency in a gel format, and then I apply it on my face and massage it on my face for about a minute. It really dissolves all my makeup, takes off all my gunk, and really gives me a very clean skin. And if you have a dry acne prone skin, you can definitely use this one. It's not gonna strip your skin off. Now coming to the second favorite face wash is this one. This is by Bella Skin. It is Watermelon Love Acne Shield Pore Cleansing Foaming Face Wash with 1% salicylic acid. Now this one also contains salicylic acid. And when I have done a very good skincare, very nice skincare at night, and I don't want all of the nutrients to go away, I like to use something gentle. And this is the Bella Skin face wash, which is very mild, very gentle. It doesn't strip off your skin, keeps all the nourishment on your skin, whereas cleanses your skin very well. This is kind of my very morning, evening, I'm at home, I don't need very intense cleanse, those kind of face wash. If I'm going out, going to office, I need a very deep cleanse, I would prefer So True. Now my third favorite face wash has to be from a Korean brand. It is Anua Heartleaf Pore Deep Cleansing Foam Face Wash. It has Hotuna cordata extract, and like, it is a very good foaming face wash. Now this is a very strong face wash. Okay, it will like cleanse your skin. Okay, there is no like a backup. It's a kind of beast mode face wash, but it's very mild. It's gonna work on your acne prone skin, it's gonna work on your oily skin, and it does have, you know, heart leaf extract in the formula, so it does do a mild exfoliation as well. I like to use this face wash mainly when I'm using cleansing oils or cleansing balms, or I have done a very heavy waterproof makeup, I have went out for an event, I have used a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. And to get rid of any excess makeup, I like to go with my Anua cleansing foaming face wash, because it does the job. Okay, because I need something that will get rid of every single tiny bit of makeup on my face, and this will do it. So first of all, you guys know how expensive Korean skincare is, and this one was priced at only 630. I got it on discount, so from Macron only, so you can get it on discount as well. It is priced something maybe at 1000 or 800, I'm not sure, but I got it at 630, so it was a steal, especially when coming to a Korean skincare product. And especially it worked beautifully on my skin. I got no acne, and it cleared out my pores, it made my skin look brighter, and acne started to dry out. So great face wash. Now coming to toners. Now first toner that I have and I loved and I have restocked it couple of time, and you can see this one is empty and I have to restock it. I'm just waiting for a Nykaa sale because they have increased the price of it. Okay, so this is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. Now if you have congested skin, no matter what skin type do you have, you can be oily, dry, no matter what, you need this one because glycolic acid has a very small molecular size which helps in penetrating very deep into your skin layers, and that just helps in taking out all the gunks and dirts on the surface level, and then with a small exfoliation it can get rid of those dull gunk and also pigmentation and everything. If you have acne, it can help in getting all the acne pus on your surface and then gently getting rid of the acne pus and acne mark and acne bacteria. So this particular product is a gem for all skin types. I used to have a lot of pigmentation on my face. If you are new, please make sure you watch like a year or two old videos of mine. You will understand what I'm talking about. I had immense pigmentation on my face and acne, and from there to here the journey has been very rough, but still I would say this has been a staple because it worked on my skin like magic every single time. Coming to my next favorite toner, that is from a Korean brand. It is their rice toner. Okay, it's from I Am From, and it is bit expensive. It comes around at 2000, but in discount you can get it at 1700. Now it's available in Nykaa and Beauty Ban. So I love this one. If you have watched where I've talked about hyped skincare products, I have actually applied it and showed you guys how this toner works. But the best part about this toner is that even though it's milky, it is said to be for dry skin people, but it works beautifully for oily acne prone skin girls because it will hydrate your skin. Also, it will brighten your complexion and reduce the pigmentation as well. Now coming to serums, I have tried a lot of serums coming from Indian market, coming from Korean market. So first one that I really want to highlight is salicylic acid serum. Now salicylic acid serum from The Ordinary is one of my favorite. I have repurchased it multiple times. It has always worked amazing on my acne. Okay, whenever I get acne, even I'm talking about this small bump I have over here, I always put salicylic acid at night just on that targeted area, not full face, because that can lead to dryness. So I don't do that. I always apply it over there and then use some other serum just, on the rest of the face. Like I do a multitasking serum, you can say so, and it works. Okay, it works. I love that way it works on my skin, and I any which ways use salicylic acid serum on the alternate days, kind of to control my oils, to remove blackheads, to remove congested pores. And now there are other serums in the market. Currently I don't have with me, but I've reviewed them previously. Number one is the Minimalist Lactic Acid. It works amazing for oily acne prone skin. You need to have it with you. It's amazing, great for pigmentation, dark spots. And Minimalist Niacinamide Serum, which is also amazing. I personally gravitate towards a Minimalist Niacinamide Serum than the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum, but again it works beautiful, like the Minimalist Lactic Acid Serum and the Niacinamide Serum. Now coming to my another favorite serum that I have repurchased multiple times, this is from Beauty of Joseon. It is their Glow Serum Propolis and Niacinamide. Like I have purchased, it's a fresh new bottle and still you can tell I have used this much. I recently stocked it up. I don't have the previous bottle, but this one is great for oily acne prone skin. Now it is very glowing, it is very nourishing, but it has niacinamide that will brighten and work on evening out your skin tone. It also has BHA that's gonna work on your acne prone skin, and it also has propolis, which is an extract from honey that will help to clear and soothe and calm your skin. So I love this particular serum. It is very glowy, very hydrated. Now, there is a way how I like to use this particular serum. I like to go with the glycolic acid toner, which is very exfoliant for my skin. And then I pair it up with this Propolis Glow Serum, which is amazing because it's very nourishing, hydrating, barrier repairing. So it works like a perfect balance where one product is going and exfoliating my skin, where the other product is also, making sure that I'm not getting acne, also making sure that, uh, every extract, that dirt, everything is on the surface. When I wash my face, all the gunks are gone from my face. So I love this serum and I'll highly recommend it to you guys. The next serum that I love is also from a Korean brand, and I have been loving this one so much. This is the Numbers in Number 5 serum. It's a goodbye blemish serum. Now, it was supposed to target acne, but I found out it works something different. Use this, okay? The next day morning, my skin is like immensely looking brighter than my skin tone. Like you can say, whereas I can, mix up my foundation shades. Like my foundation shades, I have to use something a bit lighter, and I cannot use the foundation shade that I was using. So it does work on your skin tone like that. And it has a lot of vitamin C and vitamin C derived ingredients, and it also has acne controlling ingredients, and it has orange peel oil. So it has very good ingredients that is gonna brighten up your skin. And I like it because in the summertime my skin gets very dull and very dark due to the sun. Even though I've applied sunscreen, I still do get a bit of darkness. So when I apply this at night, I wake up with a very rejuvenated, brightened up skin that I love. And the brightness just stays throughout the day and then slowly fades away, so you have to reapply again. So it does not change your complexion, it just makes it look brighter. So that's what I want to say, and I really love this one. If you want to check the full review, I have done it. You can definitely check it out. Now, coming to face mask, I have only two face masks that I genuinely love, and they worked amazing on my skin. First, I'll start with the Bella Skin. It is their Raspberry Vital Skin Brightening Hydrating Face Mask with AHA. It's for all skin type. And the day I have got this, and after I have tried this one, I have completely fallen in love with this product. And you can tell how much I have used this product up. You can, I think, definitely tell it's used. Okay, it's used, and I love it. My mom loves it. We both love it, and I have to restock it once I get over this one. But overall, what I want to say about this particular product is that it, works on your clogged pores. It really clears out your skin. It makes your skin baby soft. Now, to use this mask, you have to apply a generous amount on your face and then massage it to your skin for about 2-3 minutes. You can massage it for 4 minutes as well. That's what they say, but I like to massage it for 2-3 minutes and then leave it for a good solid time. After that, I'm just washing this off with a lukewarm water. It really takes off all the dead skin cells that this product has taken out, and I love it. Like, my skin feels so smooth. I like to do it before any event or any occasion where I want my makeup to sit amazingly. And I'm not just trying to brag about this product. I have their blue version as well, which is their Blueberry Shield face mask, which is the same thing but in a with blueberry version. But I hate this one. I do not like it. It did not work on my skin. I tried it 3 times, and 3 times it failed. I always got acne. Always, every time it purged somehow on my face. But it works for my mother's skin because my mom has a normal skin type. It works for her. So I use it up on her, but not for me. I have a oily acne prone skin, and this one does not work on my. You can see how much I have used it on my mom. Like, literally, I make her use this. So the next face mask that I really love, and I have repurchased this one, is from I'm from Rice face mask. I love this one. It's a staple in my skincare vanity because it has rice and honey. Both works in skin brightening, works in exfoliation. The formula has a grittiness to it, which helps in scrubbing your face and as well as giving a very nice glow. I like to use it on weekends where I want to really deep detox my skin and get a very nice healthy glow and like boost that, brightness into my skin. So I like to get this particular rice mask on my face, leave it for a couple of time, around 20-25 minutes, and then just do a mild scrub with lukewarm water and then wash my face off, which gives me the best smooth and baby soft brightened glowy skin. I love this one so much. I don't want to get a bigger one because I use it very rarely. I don't use it every now and then. Okay, this is a really good face mask. If you have the budget, you want to try a good rice face mask, you can try this one. And actually I have got an alternate option also, but it hasn't come yet. But once I get it, I will do a review, so stay tuned for that. And it's very affordable, it's half and half the price of this one. So I will also talk about that in my short videos or upcoming videos. Now coming to moisturizers, I have very two basic simple moisturizer. I don't have multiple moisturizer and I don't want to confuse you guys because I don't like to confuse myself. Okay, so first is the Dot and Key ceramide hyaluronic barrier repair moisturizer with probiotics and rice water. You can see this is the big guy. Okay, this is 175-gram product. I have repurchased it and talked about this particular moisturizer in many videos of mine. Now everybody asked me in the comment section that whether it heals acne or not. I just want to say that if your barrier is strengthened, you will not get acne. If your skin is healed, like moisturized, and if your skin barrier is strengthened, you will not get that much of acne. Okay, except you get hormonal issues and hormonal acne, that's a complete different scenario. That a moisturizer cannot help, that a serum cannot help, that nobody can help except a doctor. But if you have normal regular acne, for where you have tried a product, it didn't work out with for you, and it kind of ruptured your skincare barrier, then this moisturizer can help to really fix your skin barrier. And I swear by this moisturizer. The last moisturizer that I want to talk about is basically a night cream that I recently discovered. It's from Blue Nectar. It is their Kumkumadi night repair cream. It has 16 herbs. It's very ultra hydrating and skin repairing, also something that repairs your skin. First thing is that this has a very strong smell of a flower, but the flower smell, that smell is not artificial. It feels very realistic, as if you have plucked that flower and you're smelling it right now. So firstly, when I got this moisturizer, I was very bothered about the smell, and I was like, okay, will it work on my skin and will it give me acne, because it has such a strong smell to it. Some people might not like it, but I fell in love as the day went on, as I continued using it. Okay, what are you even talking about Korean glass skin? Because this one gives me a solid glass skin looking finish. It is a bit greasy, it feels you have something on your face, but I love it. Okay, in the nighttime when I'm doing makeup, or if I have to attend something at nighttime, I like to go with this moisturizer underneath a little bit, and then I wear makeup. So if you have been a part of my channel, you would know already that I've never really talked about a night cream in any of my long video. So this is the first night cream I'm talking about because I genuinely love it and it worked on my oily acne prone skin. And the last product of today's video has to be an eye cream that I have to repurchase because it's almost finished, and this is from Some by Me. It is Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Night Cream. It has retinol 0.1%, retinol 1 ppm. It's a 10 ml of product. I need to get a bigger one for this particular eye cream. It has been a magic using this one. I did a full video on Some by Me Retinol Intense kit, and since then I have been using this one, and you can see how much I have finished. Now it really targets my hollow under eyes. Now everybody has puffy under eyes, everybody has dark circles. I usually have hollow under eyes, which is something different I've noticed. So it's like it's a bit sunken, and this one just helps in plumping it up, rejuvenating. The more hydration I put underneath my eyes, it kind of really plumps my skin up underneath my eyes, and the dark circles that I have here, it really works on that as well. So this one is amazing. So yeah, that's it guys. I know this is a very long video, but this was so much awaited video because I always just review skincare products, but I wanted to show you my routine, what I really buy, what I really use, and what I really love. So you guys know that what I review is not the products that I only use. There are other products that I really love, and they are my ride or die. So I think this was very important. I do want to make more videos like this where I show you the products that I really repurchase. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like and comment, and if you have any questions, let me know. I like to talk with you guys, and I always answer to your comments. So yes, we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.